Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, in this video we are going to walk through how to apply a tourist visa to travel to Guatemala. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go and subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. Alright guys, so let's proceed. So guys, in front of you, I have opened Embassy of Guatemala in Canada website where I have gone for visas for foreigner. Very first thing before you even begin here, is that you need to determine if you really need a visa or not. So if you scroll down on this page and you search from your country, let's say you are from India and you search. Okay. So they have given like diplomatic passport or ordinary passport. Okay. So ordinary passport like consular or without consultation, and if you have like diplomatic passport, you are visa exempt. And if you have if you have valid visa from US, Canada, or Shenzhen, you don't need a visa to enter Guatemala. So the very first thing is to determine that, and then you can see if you need or not. Okay. All right. So, and if you determine that you need, what are the things you need? Like when you apply at your nearest embassy, right? So that's why, like, I'm opening this embassy website in Canada, but if you're in a different location, you can do that. So because there could be some different requirements when it comes to fee process. So it's very important to know that. So you need a valid passport, proof of immigration status in Canada, okay? Because Canadians don't need a visa to travel for there. One copy of confirmed round trip, okay? Photocopy of last three bank statement, two pictures, money order or cash, single entry for multiple this, okay? All payment must be in US dollar. And you have to request in person. But it also says like if you have a permanent resident of Canada, you don't need a visa either to enter Guatemala. Okay, perfect. Now they have tourist visa form. This form also may vary based on your location, so be very careful. So this is for the office. Okay. So name, surname, place of birth, nationality. These are very simple question. This is about your work, where you're gonna go in Guatemala, how long you're gonna stay, which countries you have visited, signature, and this is the exclusive use of embassy. And they've also given the document checklist also. And this visa is 90 days only from the date of issue. Okay. All right, guys. So you got the idea. It's very simple. So thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you.